everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to begin with our book, that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with our chapter number 26 and this is all about states. So in this chapter we will first take a look at the map of the India and then it will show you what? It will show you 28 states and 8 union territories of our country, and along with their capital cities, what we have to do is we will then find out the answers for the questions which are given below and they are relating to the map of the India in some or the other way. So you should have the map of India before giving the answers for this question. But sure, I am there to help you out. Let's begin with the fill in the blanks, that is the A part, and the first statement says that the capital of Maharashtra is dash. So what is the capital of Maharashtra? And the answer for this is Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Then the second statement, dash is known as the land of 5 rivers. So which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? And the answer for this is Punjab. P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. Next, the third statement is the state known for its tea garden is. And the answer for this question is Assam. A-S-S-A-M, Assam. Next, dash is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. So what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? The answer for this question is Lucknow. L-U-C-K-N-O-W, Lucknow. Fifth statement is dash is the smallest state of India. So which is the smallest state of India? And the answer is Goa. The sixth question, dash is the largest state of India. And which is the largest state of India? The answer for this question is Rajasthan. So this was all about the A question. Let's now begin with the B part. Let's do the B question now, and it is match the following. So the first thing is Kolkata, and it is in which state? The answer for this is West Bengal. Then we have second Chennai, and the answer for this is it is in Tamil Nadu. Then we have the third Jaipur, and where it is? It is in Rajasthan. Then we have the fourth Trivendrapuram, and it is found in Kerala. The last one, that is Bangalore, जिसका अब नाम चेंज होके बेंगलुरु हो गया है, and it is found where? It is found here in Karnataka. That was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please read the answers very carefully and learn the spellings. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.